Hey guys, welcome back to episode 4 of this mini-series of dropping things on set.
Whoa. I'm so annoying.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 4 of this mini-series on how to make merchandise for your YouTube channel. Today, we've got Lauren and we've got Moose sharing some tips and tricks. Welcome back if you've been here before. If it's your first time, smash that subscribe button, please.
You can kind of carry a tune nicely. Okay. Let's see how that works.
So today we're going to cover just how to get your shop out there. So up to now, you've signed up for a shop, you've opened that shop, you've put in your personal information, you've put a shop header in, you've uploaded some designs, but now you have a beautiful shop sitting there that no one knows about. So how do you want to get people to know about your shop?
Well, I think I can think of a couple of things to do. So one of the strongest ways to get your shop out there and your brand out there in general is through content. Content can be in video form, it can be in picture form, it can be in copy form or text form. As long as you're putting information out there about your brand, then people are going to know about it. If you're not doing that, then nobody's going to know. So social media is probably one of the strongest ways to do it, especially now. We're on our phones all the time.
I was on my phone a second ago and she yelled at me.
Yeah, enough of that. So definitely social media. Also blogging is another great one that feeds the SEO algorithm. So if you're using those keywords, doing a little bit of research, that is great for growing brand awareness as well. And also Facebook advertising. Believe it or not, $5, just $5 can go a very long way. You can get exposure to thousands of people. You can target exactly who you want to reach.
Another strength you guys have, because you're here, is you have a YouTube channel, right? So make videos and talk about your merch on your channel. Then write a blog about that video you just talked about your merch about, and then make an Instagram post about the video. You guys know how to do this. It's just repackaging what you guys already know about social media in a way that can promote your shop and drive traffic to your store. And if the designs are there and they're relevant, people are gonna want to support you. That's why they follow you in the first place. This one trick that I like to do,
Yes.
and not a lot of people do it, I'll publish a design to a shop and maybe it's super relevant to a hot button issue right now. So say right now it is hockey season. I don't know when this video will air, but it is playoff hockey or playoff basketball season. If I do something related to hockey or basketball, it's gonna be super relevant right now.
Or the yodeling kit from Walmart.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's
Another great one.
And you can kind of piggyback on those hot topics that are already all over the internet and then create this illusion of exclusivity. So publish a design and that topic's gonna be stale in a month anyway. But if you say like, buy my design in this next week, and then it's gone forever, something that entices people to get in your shop and buy now. It's a great little trick and it takes no effort at all. You just piggyback on these internet hot topics, you make it relevant for your audience, and people are gonna buy those shirts.
Contests are always a great way to grow brand awareness too. People are always coming into the contest hashtag, so that's another great one to use. People want to win. I want to win. I do it all the time. Not winning, the contests.
Yeah, I love winning. Wait, what?
What?
If you guys have any sweet tips and tricks to share about creating interesting content to share with your audience to drive traffic to your stores, share them below. Share them below. It's a little community we're trying to start here. I'll share some of mine on videos just like this. Lauren shares tips and tricks all the time. She's a social media guru.
Mm-hmm.
So tune back in for videos just like this every week and subscribe below so you don't miss out. Until next time, head over to Spreadshop.com, check it out, sign up for that shop, fill your shop with designs, promote your shop, get selling today.
Take it easy, as Moose would say.
Take it easy.